Ford Probe. Ford Probe price is $15,998. The second-generation Ford Probe swapped manic turbocharged four-cylinder power for a more laid-back approach. Under the swoopy hood, Ford now placed a silky 2.5-liter V6 with 164 horsepower, although a four-pot was also available on the base car. The Probe may have been slightly forgotten in the sands of automotive time, but when it was launched, it had big boots to fill. There was talk that, with muscle cars struggling to find their feet, the Probe would be a front-drive replacement for the iconic Mustang, as well as bringing back the spirit of the Capri in Europe. It did neither in reality, and that wasn't just because the name sounds a bit like a medical examination. The looks are very much of the mid-1990s, and front drive would never really equate to a proper pony car, but that doesn't mean the Probe should be overlooked. There is a lot to like about the Probe, and prices are apparently on the up, sitting at $15,998 currently for a 1995 model, according to Classic.com.